Hi, everybody. This is Mr. Black. Today, I'd like to take just a few minutes to go over the course syllabus with you so that you have all of the information and we're all on the same page. This form is located in the Google Classroom. You will have access to it at any time, so please feel free to download it, print it out if you like, keep a copy of it with you when you come to class, or just refer back to it as needed. The first thing you're going to see at the top of the form is my name and email address, james.black@comalisd.org. That is the best way to reach out to me if you have any questions or need something. I will get back to you within a 24 to 48 hour period. If it's urgent, however, please feel free to call me. My direct line is listed there. That comes directly to the theater classroom. So if you need to reach out to me right away, that's the quickest way to do it. Next to my contact information, you'll see a copy of my schedule for the 2021 school year. First period is a Tech Theater 1. Second period is Theater 2. Third period is Theater 3. Fourth period is a repeat of Tech Theater 1, followed by lunch break, fifth period conference, and sixth period is my advanced tech class. And seventh period is theater production. So the best time to reach me obviously is going to be midday, fifth period conference before or after school. So please reach out to me if you have any questions. Beneath the schedule, you'll see a copy of the list of supplies that you're supposed to provide for this course. Due to the situation of the virus right now, obviously things are different. I will no longer be able to provide you with art supplies or pencils or things of that nature. You will need to come to class with your own materials. Without that, you won't be able to participate in some of the daily activities. So make sure you get these items. The first thing you're going to need to purchase is a 3-ring binder, preferably 1.5 inch binder. Anything bigger than that is too cumbersome. Anything smaller may not house all of the materials that you'll need. Keep in mind, this is an acting class, so you will receive script copies, monologues, duets, things like that. So you'll need something to keep all of those things in. Make sure your binder has a clear protective sleeve on the front cover. I'll provide you with a blank label sheet, cover sheet. You will have to fill that out with your name and period and slip this into that protective sleeve. This helps me match up you and your binder if for some reason you become separated and I don't need to go digging through your binder. I can just look at the cover and identify that it's yours right away. You're also going to need to purchase 5 tab dividers, some filler paper, obviously your writing utensils, pencils, pens, a highlighter, and a pencil bag to house all of those things in so that you have your materials together. The last thing you're going to need to purchase is an inexpensive set of watercolors. There will be some design components in this course. And again, since I can't share my watercolors or my art supplies with you, you'll need to provide your own. The next unit or the next section is a grade breakdown. This comes directly from the grade guidelines posted by the district. So this is basically a cut and paste. So this isn't negotiable. The first category is major projects and grades. That's weighted at 45% of your grade. There will be a minimum of 2 major grades taken per grading period. Quizzes are weighted at 35%, and there's a minimum of 3 per grading period. And your daily work and homework is weighted at 20% of your grade, and there's going to be at least 1 grade taken per week. Makeup work, I will always accept it, no matter how late it is. I'm of the frame of mind that if you're willing to do the work, you should get some credit, even if it's late in the game. However, the grading penalty per CISD grading guidelines are listed here on your syllabus as well. If it's a day late, it's 80% credit, 2 days late, 60% credit, and anything over 3 days late is supposed to be graded at a 0% credit. However, again, if you're willing to do the work, I will give you some credit. I will give you some points towards a grade. So just come and talk to me if you have any questions or concerns. And then the final thing on the syllabus is just some basic rules for the course. The one thing that I ask for everyone to come to class with is a positive attitude. Please be respectful of yourself, your classmates, your peers, and the space. Be sure that you follow all safety guidelines, the district guidelines, the campus guidelines, as well as the safety rules pertinent to this classroom in specific, in particular. And then finally come to class with all of your materials that is necessary for you to do the work for the day. Without your scripts, without your binders, without your pens and pencils, you can't really participate. So it's really important. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for listening. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Again, this will be in the Google Classroom. There will also be a form that you'll need to fill out once you've viewed the video and reviewed the syllabus, that you received it, that you understand it, and that you don't have any questions. So yeah, thank you. Stay well, stay safe, guys. I will talk to you soon.